In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate time tracking in mondaycom, automating your success with mondaycom. Let's get started by signing in to your mondaycom account. Once you're in, head to the workspace that holds the project you want to track and open the board where your items live. Make sure you have permission to edit the board. You'll need that to add columns and set up automations. Next, add a time tracking column to your board. Click the plus icon to add a new column, choose more columns, and select time tracking. Give the column a clear name so your team knows exactly what it's for, and consider placing it near the status column so the connection between status and time is obvious. If you already track time manually, don't worry. This column supports both manual and automated timers. Now let's automate it. Open the Automate menu and choose Add New Automation. Create a custom automation that says, when status changes to working on it, start time tracking in the time tracking column. Be sure you select the correct status label and the exact time tracking column you added. This will automatically start the timer the moment someone moves an item into an active state. Keep in mind, automations trigger on changes going forward, so existing items won't retroactively start unless you change their status again. To make sure time stops reliably, add a second automation. When status changes to done or to on hold, stop time tracking. You can include any additional non-working states your team uses. This ensures you don't leave timers running and that you capture accurate durations when work pauses or finishes. If you reopen work later, moving the status back to working on it will start the clock again. If you use sub-items for granular tasks, apply these same automations to sub-items. This gives you detailed tracking at the task level while still rolling up time to the parent item if your board is set that way. Just be careful not to track both the parent and its sub-item simultaneously unless that's intentional. Finally, if your team needs broader reporting or cross-tool visibility, connect an integration such as Clockify. Map your mondaycom items to projects or tags in your time tool and decide which platform will be your source of truth to avoid duplicates. As a best practice, test everything on a sample item before rolling it out to the whole team. And that's it. With a time tracking column, two simple automations, sub-item coverage, and optional integrations, your time tracking runs itself while your team focuses on the work.